Good morning, children. Let's see the second part of Bhasha Sutram 3. Namani. Namani, we all are familiar with the nouns, and here we will see the Ikaranta Namani. Ikaranta Pullinga Nama Kavi. This Kavi ends with Rasva E. So this is the declension or table of Kavi, which already we have studied in earlier years, and I will just read the one table. Kavihi kavi kavayah prathama, kavim kavi kavin dvitiya, kavina kavibhyam kavibhihi tritiya, kavaye kavibhyam kavibhyah chaturthi, कवेहे कविभ्याम कविभ्यः पंचमी कवेहे कव्योः कवीनां षष्ठी कवौ कव्योः कवीषु सप्तमी हे कवे हे कवि हे कवयः संबोधनम. Likewise, you will read all the remaining tables, and like kavi, we can use these words, we can use the forms, and we can find the forms of Muni, Rushi, Ravi, Hari, Pani, Yati, Maruti, Bhupati, Kapi, Ali, Giri, Ari, Vinni, and Mani, because these are also ending in Rasva E. Now, Mati declension is here, likewise Vari declension is here, and likewise Nadi declension is here. In Mati table, we can use these words, or we can find the forms of these words by using this table, like Matihi, Bhumihi, Bhumi, Bhumayah, Prathama, likewise. Here also, Vari table, we can use Shuchi, Surabhi, Bhuri words which are similar to Vari. Then here Nadi table is given, but here there is a difference. Previous tables, they have ending in Rasva E. You can see here Ikaranta, this also, but in Nadi table you will find that Nadi is the ending of Dirgha E. That's why the words similar to Dirgha Ikaranta are Janani, Kupi, Nari, Yuvati, Nagari, Mahi up to Dasi. These are the Strilinga Nama ending in E, that is Ikaranta Strilinga Nama. And that's why we can find the forms of these words like by using this table. Now, children, you will write all these tables in your copy. Now, on page number 45 of your textbook, the term Visheshanam is given. You all knew that Visheshanam means adjective of a particular noun. Now here we can read this and we can find what are the adjectives given. एषः बालकः, एतस्य नाम अजयः, अजयः उत्तमः बालकः, अजयः स्वस्थः कार्यतत्परः च बालकः. Now here there is one boy whose name is Ajay and he is Uttamah. Uttamah will be the adjective, the noun or the verb, the word which gives extra information about the noun is called as the adjective. Likewise, Uttamaha, this word gives extra information about the or special things, tells special things about this Balakaha. That's why Uttam will be the adjective. Here स्वस्थः कार्यतत्परः These two will be also the adjectives of balakah. Now, atra means here उत्तमः चतुरः स्वस्थः कार्यतत्परः एते शब्दाः अजयः कीदृशः अस्ति इति कथयन्ति. Means how Ajay is. These words are telling some extra information about Ajay. अतः एते शब्दाः अजयस्य विशेषणानि. That's why these are the adjectives of Ajay. यह शब्दः नामपदस्य विषये अधिकं कथयति तद् विशेषणम्. The word who tells something special or something more about the noun is called as विशेषण. And यस्य विषये ज्ञापनं भवति सः विशेष्यः. We all saw in Marathi also and in Sanskrit also विशेष्य and विशेषण. Visheshya, who is Visheshya? The word about whom or which the extra information has been given. In this, Ajay is Visheshya and Uttamah, Swastha, Karyatatparah, these are the Visheshan. Ajay is Visheshya because extra information has been told about Ajay. Now, here you can see some examples. Nutanah grantah, nutana kavita, nutanam kavyam. Now, grantah, kavita and kavyam, these are of masculine, feminine and neuter gender. Here you can see nutana, the visheshan is common among all these words. But the forms of Nutana word has been written differently. The meaning of Nutana means new. So, here you can see Grantha is of masculine gender. That's why Nutana, the adjective, is also in masculine gender. Kavita is of feminine gender. That's why Nutana word, the Nutana adjective is also in feminine gender. Kavyam is of neuter gender, that's why Nutana word is also here in masculine neuter gender. Now, अत्र विशेषणस्य यद् लिंगम् अस्ति तद् एव विशेषणस्य अत्र विशेषस्य यद् लिंगम् अस्ति तद् एव विशेषणस्य लिंगं वर्तते. Means the whatsoever is the gender of a noun will be the gender of a adjective, which means that the gender of adjective and noun will be the same. Now here, Nutanau grantau, Nutanaha grantaha. Now here you will say that grantha is of masculine gender. Then why the forms are changed? Because here the number, that is grantha, is in dvivachanam and grantha is in bahuvachanam. Nutane kavite dvivachanam, that's why Nutana word also be in dvivachanam. Up till now the gender is same and now the number will also the same as of the noun and adjective. Now, atra visheshasya yad vachanam asti tad eva visheshanasya vachanam drushyate. Means the whatsoever is the number, it may be singular, it may be plural, it may be dual, that number will be of adjective also, which means that the adjective and the noun will have the same number. If noun is in ekvachanam, the adjective will be in ekvachan. If noun is in dvivachan, the adjective will be in dvivachan. If noun is in bahuvachan or plural form, then the adjective will also in the plural form. Now there are two rules we have seen. The gender of a noun and adjective will be same. The number of a noun and adjective will be same. Now the third one. Now here Grantha is of masculine gender, but in these sentences you can see Granthasya is of Shashti Vibhakti, Granthat is of Panchami Vibhakti, Grantheshu is of Saptami Vibhakti. And likewise, this Nutana Shabda or Nutana word has changed its Vibhakti also. This is the third rule, children, that सा एव विभक्ति विशेषणस्य अपि वर्तते. एतेषु उदाहरणेषु विशेषस्य या विभक्ति सा एव विभक्तिः विशेषणस्य अपि वर्तते. Means whatsoever will be is the vibhakti of a noun, the same vibhakti will be of adjective, which means that the noun and adjective will have same vibhakti. Now there are three rules we have seen about the gender, number and the vibhakti, which means that the gender, number and the vibhakti of a noun and adjective are same. Yadlingam, yadvachanam, या च विभक्तिर्विशेषस्य तद्लिंगम तद्वचनम स एव विभक्ति विशेषणस्य अपि. Means in whatsoever linga, vibhakti and vachan is the noun, the adjective will have the same linga, vibhakti and vachan of the noun. Now this is the Bhasha Abhyas which is given. You will have to match the pairs. Now you will match the pairs according to the rules. For example, Sundari, this is feminine gender. Sundari, this is feminine gender. Mala. Sutram, neuter gender. Dirgham, dirgham, sutram. Netre, dual form, that's why Krushne Netre. Likewise, I have given answers. You will write the tables which is given on page number 43 and 44 of your textbook in your copy. Tables of or declensions of Kavi, Mati, Vari and Nadi, and you will write the Bhasha Abhyas of Visheshanan in your copy. Thank you.